Hello money makers, today I compiled a list of 7 great websites where you can make a lot of money from selling your articles. Yes, writing is a profitable skill. In case you don't know how to write yet and you're wondering how can I learn to write and make money from this, then wait to the end of this video because I'm going to show you 3 amazing places where you are going to learn profitable writing absolutely free. So not only will I show you how to make money writing articles, but I'll also show you how to learn the skill in case you don't know how to do it. Article selling is really a profitable business. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 websites where you can earn between $100 to $300 every week from writing. Now, if you're saying, I don't know how to write, how do I learn to write for free? Then wait to the end of this video. So let's get started. The first website here is Medium. Medium has made millionaires off of ordinary people, and you too can earn from this. Now, Medium is a popular online publishing platform that allows writers to publish and monetize their content. You can earn money through the Medium Partner Program, which pays writers based on readers' engagement and membership fees. On this platform, you can create a free blog for yourself, a full functional blog where you write and publish all your content. You can also use it as your website where you refer people to see your written content and use it to convince them that you are a professional writer. As you can see here, these are articles from people who are making money. Find and grow your audience. This place, they are giving you every resource material you need to grow your audience. Remember, the more views you get on your content, the more money you make. So this is a complete guide on how to get more eyeballs on your articles so you'll be able to make a lot of money at the end of the month. Now here comes where you make money. Okay, it says earn money from your writing. Writing has its reward when you join the partner program. Learn how to get paid for the content you publish and the audience you build. And the last step is to catch your money. Okay, what are the eligibility criteria? You can see that publish a story, gain up to 100 plus followers, stay active. By staying active, you basically have to publish at least once every 6 months to keep your content and your earning running. This is the second website and I absolutely love it. This website is a marketplace where you can sell your articles, blog posts and other written content. Now look at this. It says your dream writing gigs is waiting for you. The world needs curious, driven writers like you. It's amazing because when you sign up on this platform, in addition to making money, you get to learn and refine your skills. Yes, they have a lot of resources that will help you and even constant trainings you can attend to refine your skill and become a better writer as you go on. Now, if you are a skilled writer, there's a demand for you. The name of this website is Constant Content, and you can create a free account for yourself in few simple steps. How do you get started? To join the marketplace, it takes less than 5 minutes to create a free account for yourself. The next step is to write about your passion. Okay, and the third step is you start making money. Now, 100% of approved articles are put up for sale in the marketplace, and each year about 85% of listed articles get sold. Okay, so this is actually one of the greatest freelancing platforms you can think of at the moment. So all you need to do to get started is to click on this button that says get started, and here comes the third website where you can make a lot of money as content creator. Become a Textbroker author. Start earning money today. Now you create a free account on this platform, start writing for cash. If you look at this, you can see a lot of notable companies that have used their services. Make money writing articles in a few simple steps. First, you create a free account and verify it. Submit a writing sample. Yes, so this place you would actually have to submit a sample of your work because it's what they are going to use to see how good you are at writing and then approve your request. Then you get your ratings. Once it's approved, you get rated based on the work you submitted to them. That is to tell you that you really have to put in a lot of work in writing good articles. And the fourth step is to complete your auto profile. So once you are approved, you go on to complete your auto profile, which is basically you adding your profile picture, putting descriptions and probably a link to the work you've done in the past. And finally, you start writing for cash. And the name of the website is Textbroker. look down here and you can see open orders, direct orders, and team orders. So they have a pool of projects you can select from. Choose from thousands of projects at your quality level. So what it means is that there are a lot of companies and other people who are in need of content creation. They already posted their what they need, and they need people to get this job done. Once you create account and you are accepted, you go on through the list of all the projects available. Pick the ones you like and then start writing immediately. You can also go here and read up other things you need. And finally, how do you get paid? Yes, that's the part everybody wants to know. Textbroker offers weekly payment via PayPal. The better your content, the more you can earn. However, Textbroker is not for everybody. There's a list of countries that are eligible to create account. So look at this. You can see countries that are here. You have to be from one of these countries for you to create account and be accepted. Now, if your country is not here, don't feel bad, because I have more to share with you. So let's move on to, and here's the next website where you can make a lot of money as content creators. So if you look at this, you can see a lot of our notable companies that have used their services. To create a free account for yourself as a freelancer, someone that wants to earn from writing skill, you need to come over here and click on this button that says for freelancers and click on join our workforce. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place. How it works for freelancers: more work, higher pay. Okay, so the more you write, the better you write, the more money you make. So let's look at this. First, you create a free online portfolio. This platform actually offers you some proprietary tools and software integrations to scale your content marketing. They have a lot of other tools and softwares that will help you a lot in your content monetization journey. Next one would be to connect with clients of all sizes. Get matched up with the AI search. The thing is, are you ready to work? If you're ready to work, then there's money waiting for you with content writing. So explore our gigs job openings, get the fast track for approval. Once you create a free account here, your work is going to be reviewed. You therefore want to put up the best article out there that will help you land this amazing opportunity. In 3 simple steps: application, no fee or charges attached. Build your portfolio. The last step is to earn great pay. They have over 2.5 million projects delivered, 40,000 customers with over 20,000 freelancers on this platform. Go on and click on this button that says join our liberated workforce, and then you create a free account. Here comes the 5th website where you can make a lot of money with your content creation skill. It's called Contently, and here you get paid for writing. Over here you create a free account too, and you also go on to sell your writing skills. They have paid over $13 million to content creators. It's actually one of the top rated content marketing platforms, so you're sure of making money from this website. So to create a free account, all you need is come over here and click on this button that says freelancers. The available gigs that you can take on at the moment. Now, here's the 5th website on my list, and one thing I love about this website is that they have a lot of available jobs. Over 800,000 employers worldwide with over $1 million paid, and then over 250 million paid to freelancers. So you're definitely sure of getting something for yourself on this. Whatever kind of content creation you are into, you're going to find a perfect match on this website. You are going to see varied content types you can write on here. The name of this platform is guru.com, and the link to sign up is contained in the description of this video. They have about 4 different payments you can go from. You have fixed price, you have hourly rate, you have tax-based rate. Let's look for available jobs here. If you come over here, you are going to see a whole lot of jobs that are available you can work on. Interesting thing is, you know exactly how much you are going to make. For example, this one was posted 5 hours ago. All you need is just go through this and see if it's something you would like to do. Then you send quotation here. Just need to click on this button here and send your quotation. There are lots of other ones here. Website upgrade, and you get up to $500. You can see a whole lot. And the final website where you can make a lot of money also as a content creator is a freelancing job site. That's the most popular freelancing job site where a lot of people make money writing on this website. So whether you are a content creator, you are a copywriter, you are a social media, whatever you do, you can make a lot of money doing that here. There are a lot of people out there who are making a killing on a monthly basis from. So the first step is to create an account for yourself, which is absolutely free, and they accept content creators from all over the world. You create a gig, deliver great work, and get paid for doing that. Are you getting value from this? Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section the one you are going to start with. Finally, here comes what you've been waiting for: where to learn content writing absolutely free. There are 3 online courses you can take right now on how to create content. The first one is on Allison, and the course is called Copywriting for Conversion. It is free. And the second website where you can learn content writing absolutely free is Skillshare, and the name of the course is Become a Better Writer. And finally, the third website where you can learn content creation is Udemy, and the name of the course is Secrets of Great Writing.